Okay, recall that the sum of the moments from the internal stresses distribution of the equal to the torque on the soft at the section. So torque equal to we will know about this formula because we uh, go through this formula from the previous slide where we get this formula we can see here. This is that formula. Net torque due to the internal stress. And now we talk about the same things. So we go to the same formula here. Torque T equal to integration sigma tau Ta. So what we put here, tau max upon C equal to tau max upon C integration sigma square dA, or we can say this is the value of J. See here, this is the value of J. So tau max upon C equal to J. So here we can see the tau max equal to Tc, means here torque multiply the radius upon J, or shear stress get T rho and G. This is the based on the normal shear stress and maximum shear stress produced in the beam. Sorry, produced in the soft. Normal stresses, see tau max and here. Element with the face parallel and perpendicular to the soft axis are subjected to shear stresses only. Normal stresses, shearing stresses are a combination of both, may be found for other orientation. So see here, tau max A naught is the initial cross-sectional area and tau max here. This is between the tau max and here we get the tau max. So F dash force is applied and here this is the compressive force here and this is the tensile force. This force is outward, this force is inward, and here we get the normal stresses and there the shear stresses. So how we consider this? Consider an element at the 45 to the soft axis. Now here if we calculate the force, then how we calculate? Uh, we can get it from like this: F equal to 2 tau max A naught cos 45, and this is the value of cos 45. Now sigma at the 45 F upon A, and we put the value of this F here, tau max A naught root 2, and here what is the A naught root 2. So that is here what is we get this, and this A naught and root 2, A naught and root 2 is cancel out. So what is the value of shear stress at the 45 angle? That is the maximum tau max. So same value we get the normal stresses at the 45 degree. So it means that whatever the stresses produce or generate at the 45 angle, that is equal to the maximum shear stress produced in the soft. So here element A is pure shear stress. This. So tau max equal to Tc upon J, and sigma 45 is plus minus tau C upon J, that is equal to each other. So element C is subjected to a tensile stresses on two faces and compressive stresses another two faces. Note that all the stresses for the element A and C have the same magnitude. The magnitude is C, C element is nothing but we can calculate the angle when we get the C element here. Now we talk about the failure. Okay. So ductile material is generally fail in the shear. Brittle material are weaker in the tension than shear. Okay. So here see this soft is failed due to the torsional force. When subjected to a torsion, a ductile specimen break along a plane of maximum shear, a plane perpendicular to the axis. Okay, so what is the meaning of this statement? This statement is say that when torsional force apply on the saw, then the specimen is break at the maximum shear plane, where the plane where the maximum shear stress is produced at that particular plane, the soft is failed, or we can say that this plane is perpendicular to the axis of the soft. Now, see, when the subjected to a torsion, a brittle material specimen break along a plane perpendicular to direction of which tension is maximum along surface at the 45 to the soft surface. So this first figure show the torsional failure of ductile material, and second diagram, second picture show the torsional failure of a brittle material. Now, here we're going to see a torsional problem. See what happened here. There is a soft with a different diameter and different pulley is applied on the soft. So here A to B is D and C to D diameter is D. But here is a given value of the soft diameter between B and C. Okay, a distance also given and the torque value is also given, means the torque at the A, torque at the B, torque at C and torque at D. Okay, so here we can see soft VC is hollow with the inner and outer diameter of 90 mm and 120 mm. See here. all the things is given here. Okay. See, soft BC, the information is given about the soft BC which is hollow. Okay. So this is given internal diameter is 90 and outer diameter is 120. Okay. Soft AB and CD are the solid. Means AB and CD is solid soft with the diameter of D. For loading shown, determine A. Minimum and maximum shear stress in soft BC. Okay. Whatever the maximum and minimum shear produced in BC soft. Okay. Next one, what we going to find? The required diameter D of soft AB and CD. Find the value of D, small d. Okay. If the available space in this soft is 65 megapascal. Okay. So shearing stress is given for A, B, and CD soft, and we have to find out the shearing stress for the BC soft. Okay, but here we are going to calculate the diameter of AB and CD soft, which is not given. So, what is the solution here? Cut the section through the AB and BC at the perform static equilibrium analyze to torque loading. Apply the elastic torsion formula to find the maximum and minimum stresses. Okay, so elastic torsional formula we can apply and we get the give allowable shear stresses at applied torque. Invert the elastic torsion formula to find out the required diameter. So these the things how we can get the this is the procedure, this is the solution. Okay, so see here what is the step, one by one step we can absorb here. Okay, so we just talk about here, this is the torque given here. So we just consider one point, that is A, where is the this pulley is applied. So here TA equal to 6 kilonewton meter, and the same and opposite torque is applied here. So what happened? Sigma mx means moment in the x direction equal to 0, that is equal to 6 kilonewton meter minus TAB. Okay, so this is the equal. Okay, so the magnitude is same but direction is opposite. The magnitude is same but direction is opposite. And what is whatever the value of torque AB, that is sim to the torque CD here. Okay, see here. Now we have to calculate the this torque. Okay, so now this is the condition of equilibrium. X direction torque is 0 because this assembly are alignment in the equilibrium condition. So here TA is 6, TB is 14, and tau BC we have to find out. So here 6 plus 14 in the same direction minus TB, which is the opposite direction. So what is the torque BC here? that is the 20 kilonewton meter. So very simple is there. Just consider the moment in the x direction. Okay. So apply the elastic torsion formula. Find out the maximum stresses on the soft. So this is the hollow soft because this is explained in the problem. So here diameter is given. So on the base of the diameter, we can see 45 and 60. So we just apply the formula for the hollow soft. Okay. The formula is J equal to pi by 2 C2 power 4 minus C1 to power 4. So here this value is given in the mm, so we can convert this value in the meter. So here 0.06 to power 4 minus 0.045 to power 4. So uh, if you calculate this value, then we get this value 13.92 into 10 to power minus 6 meter to power 4. This is the polar moment of the inertia here. Now tau max, how we get the tau max? We have the formula TVC2J and we put the 20 kilonewton into zero point 0.6 divided by 13.9, whatever the value of J we will just put here. So and the ratio of minimum shear stress and maximum shear stress is equal to the radius of inner and outer. Okay. So tau minimum C1, tau max C2. So tau minimum we have to find out 45 upon 60 and this is 86.2 which is we get here, and now tau minimum is the 64.7 megapascal. So we get the tau maximum and tau minimum value. Now the next things we have to find the diameter. Now for the AB stress is given, maximum stress is given. So we put the same value here, tau max equal to TC divided by A. So here torque is given 6 kilonewton and tau max is given 65. Okay, and J we already know pi by 2 C to power 4. So here only one value is unknown now, that is the C, that is the C. So from here we can get the value of D. Okay, C is nothing but this is the radius and in the meter. So we get the 2C, that is the diameter 77.8 mm. Now recall that the angle of twist and maximum shear stress are related. So shear strain, maximum shear strain equal to C phi L. Okay. So from here we can get the this phi. In the elastic range, the shear stress strains shear are related by the Hooke's law. Gamma max equal to tau max upon G, Tc upon Jz shear, equating the expression of the shear strain and solving the angle of twist. So here we just apply here and we get the phi equal to. So here we can see which is equal to tau c j z equal to c phi upon L. To C cancel and L multiply here TL upon JC. This is the important formula. Okay, so the soft is like this. The soft is like this. If the torsional loading or the soft cross section change along the length, the angle of rotation is founded as the sum of the segment rotated. So see here what happened. Just T1 L1 J1 I1. So this is there is C three section 1, 2, 3. So we just sum up this and we get the different value here. So we stop here today, and if any question then you can ask your question.